Looking to transform your boring office space into a spooky haven this Halloween? Want to know how to keep it festive but still professional? Get ready, because today I'm sharing the ultimate Halloween office decor ideas that will wow your colleagues and boost team spirit. How can you add a Halloween touch to your workspace without going overboard? Decorating your office for Halloween doesn't have to be excessive. With a few key touches, you can create a festive, yet professional atmosphere. Subtle decorations. Add small, tasteful decorations like mini pumpkins, black candles, or spider webs around your desk to create an eerie but sleek look. Themed stationery. Switch up your daily office tools like pens, notebooks, and even your mousepad to spooky Halloween designs. Halloween lights. Incorporate soft, orange, or purple string lights around your workspace for a cozy and spooky glow. Enjoying these ideas? Smash that like button if you're ready to get your office into the Halloween spirit. How can you involve the entire office in decorating? Halloween is a great time for some team-building fun. Here's how you can involve everyone in the office decor process. Group themes. Organize a decorating contest where each department decorates a section of the office with a specific spooky theme, like haunted house, graveyard, or witch's lair. DIY craft hour. Host a crafting session where employees can make their own Halloween decorations to personalize their workspaces. Office pumpkin carving. Bring in small pumpkins and host a pumpkin carving contest with categories like scariest, funniest, or most creative design. Want more ideas like this? Hit that subscribe button and join us for more festive office tips all year round. What are some modern, minimalist Halloween decor ideas for a sleek office environment? If your office prefers a more minimalist and modern approach to Halloween, you can still keep it spooky with these simple, chic ideas. Monochrome decor. Use black and white pumpkins, candles, and lanterns to keep things clean but stylishly eerie. Ghostly terrariums. Add a minimalistic touch with clear terrariums filled with small spooky elements like mini skeletons, moss, and tiny pumpkins. Metallic accents. Use gold or silver spiders, skulls, and small figurines to add a refined but eerie touch to the office. Love modern decor? Check the description for a playlist full of sleek and stylish office decor ideas. What are some sustainable Halloween office decor ideas? Eco-friendly decor is a great way to celebrate while being conscious of the environment. Here's how you can decorate sustainably this Halloween. Reusable decorations. Invest in high-quality, reusable Halloween decor that you can use year after year, such as fabric banners or durable skeleton figurines. Natural elements. Use natural items like real pumpkins, dried leaves, or twigs to create a spooky yet environmentally friendly vibe. Recycled crafting. Create decorations from recyclable materials, like cardboard skeletons or paper ghost garlands. Want to see more sustainable decor ideas? Click the link in the description for more eco-friendly inspiration. What are some Halloween decor tips for small office spaces? Even in tight spaces, you can still get into the Halloween spirit. Here are some ideas tailored for small offices. Vertical decorations. Hang Halloween-themed garlands, spider webs, or small hanging witches from the ceiling to maximize vertical space. Miniature desk decor. Place small spooky figurines like tiny pumpkins, mini tombstones, or creepy eyeballs on your desk without cluttering it. Door decorations. Use your office door as a canvas by hanging Halloween-themed wreaths or door decals. For more ideas on decorating small spaces, make sure to check out our other videos in the description. What are some budget-friendly Halloween office decor ideas? You don't need to break the bank to bring some Halloween vibes to the office. Here are a few easy and affordable ideas. DIY paper bats and ghosts. Use construction paper to cut out bats, pumpkins, or ghosts and stick them on cubicle walls or windows. Upcycled jars. Turn old mason jars into spooky candle holders by painting them in black or orange and adding tea lights. Printable art. Print out free Halloween-themed wall art from online resources, frame it, and hang it around the office. Got your own budget-friendly ideas? Drop them in the comments below and let's inspire each other. How can I make my Halloween office decorations more interactive? Interactive decorations can add a fun and engaging element to your office's Halloween festivities. Here are some ideas. Halloween trivia. Create a Halloween trivia game and challenge your coworkers to see who knows the most about spooky holidays. Costume contest. Encourage your coworkers to dress up in their best Halloween costumes and hold a contest to determine the winner. Halloween-themed scavenger hunt. Hide Halloween-themed items around the office and have your coworkers search for them. Spooky storytelling. Gather your coworkers together for a spooky storytelling session. Want to make your Halloween office decorations even more festive? Share your ideas in the comments below. And there you have it. Whether you want to go all out or keep things subtle, these Halloween office decor ideas are sure to bring some spooky charm to your workspace. So, which idea are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your office buddies who could use some decor inspo.